we'll create your own opportunity. Buy a .co domain name. Tell us what your idea is. We'll pick the best one and give you a, I don't know, what would people want? What does Tyler want? A MacBook Air. Everybody wants the MacBook Air. MacBook Air is like the hidden treasure inside of Apple, by the way. iPad 2, iPhone 4, MacBook Air, hoorah! It's awesome.
Yeah,
I mean, it's incredible.
You can do anything on it. And
anything.
And it fits in your man bag.
And it fits in your man bag. Special message from Tyler Brownlee. Okay, so we have the top 20 list here. I'm going to go through them, Tyler. You give me your reaction.
All right.
And here we go. Top 20 submissions. FakeGirlfriend.co. Like Tyler's Hey Sweetheart, which is already built. So FakeGirlfriend.co.
Yeah, I built a site like that.
Yeah. PictureCord.co. Be reminded to take a picture of your kid every day. Site automatically tags photos with the child's age. Not built yet. PictureCord.co. I like that, actually. I actually like that. I'm going to put a little star next to that one. I just like that idea in general. Project Nautic Co.
No. I'm going by names.
Chip in to buy part of a real submarine and get access to it. Already built, 23% funded. I'm fascinated, but I don't need a real submarine. I love those kind of ideas. Stuff. We have to have an episode.
Only if it's fluorescent pink.
Absolutely. We have to have an episode of... But we have to do it totally straight.
Yes.
But of all the crazy... We have to have crazy entrepreneur episode.
Yeah.
The crazy entrepreneur episode. And we just seek out those, like, you know...
Oh, I know a few.
Insane... I want to build a submarine. I want to build a ladder to the moon.
Yes.
I want to build
that we had
cars that run on air.
We had an airline one that was
awesome
for the ages.
We have to have crazy pitch show.
Yes.
All right, take a note, producer Kieran. ReTwist.co, place for things related to the companies that appear on This Week in Startups. Already built. I like that. GoodbyeCable.co organizes all your online entertainment services so you can easily find shows, movies. PetFirst.co, online first aid course for your pet. Interesting. Evac.co helps urban office folks plan how to escape. That's pretty good. BAT.co, BAAT.co, talk in Hindi. Yelp type service for Indian cities like Mumbai. I like that. Speedbump.co, teen driving safety product that allows parents to set speed limits according to road type. Built. Wow, I like that. Speedbump.co. So it'd actually be a device in the car.
It's a good name.
It's a really good name. I'm putting a star in there. Vaynerchuk.co, insights and video from Gary Vee's interview. Sportsthrowaways.co distributes unused sports promo items. It's interesting. IHateMy.co. Post your resume anonymously if you hate your company.
I like that.
I'm going to put 2 stars next to that one. I hate my co. That's interesting. Is an evil co. That's another good one. Aggregation of topics from Twitter API searches to spur discussions about companies doing good or evil. Interesting. I'll put a star next to that one. Codestamp.co. Relational documentation for programming languages. Kidsafe.co. Private custom URLs written on clean clothing stores for your kids.
Why would you need to resort with a hyphen at this point?
Yeah, you don't need to put a hyphen in your .co. Chimpbay.co. eBay app that auto-inserts MailChimp newsletter form sign-ups into eBay auction listings. Star. Of course. Drivel.co, competitive crowdsourced topical blogging. Bloody.co, that's interesting. World premiere community for all things mixed martial arts. Star, winning. Alfers.co, find restaurants and bars where al fresco dining is available.
You could have got a better name than
You could have got a better name. I mean, I like the concept a lot. I love the idea of al fresco just being a portal for outside dining because I am one of those folks. And the last one,
fresco.co?
Needaho.co.
Star.
Really? I'm going to have one more conversation with the staff after the show about professionalism.
Yeah.
That is just not professional. Okay, so let's go through here one more time. Picturecord.co, we like Speedbump.co, I hate my co, is an evil co, Chimpbay.co, Bloody.co.
Yeah, those are you and I picked exactly the same one.
Of course we
did. They're good names.
Good names and good ideas, both of those things. So what do you think? Did you have one you liked, Jay, before?
I like the I hate my co.
You like I hate my co? Okay,
yeah, that just jumps out. It jumps out because
it's
the most clever use of these.
It is the most.
Yeah.
And it's sort of like, it could be an anonymous posting board of just why you hate it.
Well, it's interesting because the job market now is so hot.
Yeah.
That
just why you hate your company. It could be why you hate your company, but...
you know what's clever about it is, I, as an employer or somebody who's looking for somebody, these are good people because they're at a job currently. Yeah. They're not fired, they're not looking, right?
Yeah.
So they're already kind of qualified.
Yeah.
And
it teaches you what you should not do in your company. because you understand that person. If this person says, "I hate my company because everybody,"
Oh, that too. I didn't even
everybody's a
think of that.
workaholic.
Right.
It's like, well, yeah, well, you're in the startup company.
Right.
But if I hate my co because everybody's, lame and leaves at 5 o'clock and nobody wants to get anything accomplished, well, that's the employee, team member you want.
Yeah.
So it actually could have a positive spin. Like I hate my co. I could see that as a business-to-business service where,
Oh, totally.
I email everybody on the team, tell us why you hate the company.
Right.
And let's fix those things because we're all in it together. It could be sort of a collaborative thing. What do we all hate about it? It's like a mailbox to get better.
You could probably double dip on it and kind of sell data back to the company and be like, here's
Absolutely
anonymous data about people at your company.
Yeah, and here's their IP address and here's their email address, so you can go back and fire them.
5 ways to monetize. Yeah.
Wow. So any other ones you like? Is that your favorite? Is that what you're saying?
I reach out for the ones that have clever use of the .co, and that one really jumped out in that way.
It does. And what about the speedbump.co? Is that already up and running? Because I'm kind of liking that.
That's a great name.
It is.
Teen driving safety product.
It's the world's first smartphone app that keeps your kids safe on the road. I pulled it up on my screen here, gentlemen. That is so genius. I love that. So you have to use, you put your phone on because you're driving and it's doing...
the big day has arrived.
Oh, I don't want to listen to the whole thing, but that is an interesting concept because I'm thinking about this myself. Like, why don't cars have a regulator in there that if you have a learner's permit, you put your learner's permit, like when you drive a car, why doesn't it have you put your driver's license into the car?
Right.
So you can't forget it. Like it's like, oh, you put it in. Anyway, it's a little bit Orwellian. But
Right.
Anyway, let's say you're a kid. When you're a kid, you get into the car, you have to click a code. You put in your code, it knows you're on a learner's permit because your parents programmed that in, if they were capable of programming stuff into the car.
Right.
And it doesn't let you drive above 65 miles an hour, and it doesn't let you, or for more than, 5 minutes or something. It definitely doesn't let you over 80, and it, yeah. I guess you got to trust your kids. I don't know. I'm dealing with. I'm 15 years away from dealing with this, and I'm already dealing with it. Well, you like I hate my co. I like the speedbump.co. I tell you what. Can I have 2 winners and then give the second place an iPad 2?
Shit, yeah.
Yeah.
So, all right, now I got to pay $20.
You got to pay $20 in the box. That was 9 minutes into the program. Okay, so I say we give first place to I hate my co. I hate my.co. That is a genius name. Very good. Congratulations. And I'm going to give a special iPad 2 recognition out of Mo 3000's commission check to speedpump.co. Jason, I wish you had cleared that with me before. I mean, I'm trying to support the company, but it's not cheap living in Los Angeles. Okay, Jay, thank you for coming on the program. Thank you, .co, for sponsoring it.